Mr. Kapoor, thank you so much for joining us for the chat here at News9. I want to ask you how might, like Shashank has correctly highlighted, I also said this in my opening remark, that the state governments have started showing their concerns. With regards to that, if I could ask you, is there an estimated fiscal trade-off and the friction between the centre as well as state with regards to the new announcement coming in last night?
First of all, I would like to certainly congratulate our GST Council, where we see that the decisions have been taken with the consensus of all the states. I mean, it's one of the reflection of the aspects that here is the situation that all the state governments are sensitive to the prevailing economic situation in the country. Going forward, I see that these are the steps that have been taken in the right direction, because you see, ultimately, if you are looking at putting in more money in the hands of the people, there are only two ways. One is either you look forward towards, new ways of creation of income for them, and the other is how you can reduce the taxes so that they are left with more of savings in their hands, which ultimately gets, utilized again back into the economy, and which ultimately helps in the increase of our size of the GDP. So I think here what we are looking at is that there is a transformation of our economy taking place from an informal to a formal one. If we look at the three parameters, whether it is our direct tax collections, whether it is indirect tax collections in the form of GST, whether it is our tax to GDP ratio, we are seeing that there is an increase on an year-on-year basis, and which is ultimately helping the government to take, a kind of decisions that they are taking at the moment. And I also feel that, the steps that have been taken, it is not only going to help the industry, it is going to help each and every segment of our economy, which includes the people from high net worth, lower state of income as well. And going forward, I feel that it's very important that the government should ensure that whether it is our manufacturing capability, which remains underutilized and unutilized, they be utilized to their fullest of potential going forward, whether it is by way of an expansion of our PLI schemes, so that it ultimately helps not only the industry, it helps the MSME sector as well. So that is how we will see that the cascading effect will help in our domestic economy, as well as in making our products and goods internationally more competitive. We already see that there is a situation that has got arisen on account of the tariffs, and we have to find ways as to how we can continue our economy to be float. And since we also see that ours is a consumption based economy, so it's very important that measures like this, which have been taken, I would say, at the right moment, they will ultimately help in the overall growth of the economy.